If the reverse button in CapCut is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple method that can usually fix the problem fast. This issue can happen when CapCut gets stuck processing a clip, when the video file is too complicated, or when the project has effects and edits that are causing a temporary glitch. The good news is that you do not need to give up on your project. You can isolate the clip, reverse it in a fresh project, and then place it back into your original edit. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is isolate the exact video clip you want to reverse. Go to your timeline and move the playhead directly over the clip. If your clip is part of a longer video, use Ctrl+B to split it right at the point where you want the reverse section to begin or end. This is important because CapCut sometimes struggles when you try to reverse a clip that is buried inside a larger, more complicated timeline. Once the clip is separated, make sure it is clean and simple. Right-click on the split clip and look for the Export Clip option. If you do not see that, you can temporarily delete the other elements around it and export only that short segment by itself. The key here is to make sure the clip has no extra effects, no transitions, no filters, and no speed adjustments applied. The cleaner the file, the easier it will be for CapCut to process it. Now that you have exported the isolated clip, the next step is to start a brand new project. Close out of your current editing timeline and go back to the CapCut homepage. From there, tap or click Create Project so you can open a completely blank workspace. Starting fresh helps remove any project-specific issues that may be blocking the reverse function in your original edit. After that, import the newly exported clip into this fresh project. Place it on the timeline and select it. Now look for the reverse icon, which usually looks like a play button wrapped in a circular arrow. Tap that reverse option and let CapCut process the file. In most cases, this method works much better because the clip is now isolated and CapCut does not have to deal with the extra load from your original project. If everything goes well, CapCut should reverse the clip without freezing or showing an error. Once it is finished, export this reversed version as a new file. After that, open your original project again and bring the reverse clip back into place on your timeline. You can line it up exactly where it needs to go, and your edit should now continue normally. If the reverse button still seems to be acting up, there is one more simple thing you can try before repeating the process. Restart your Wi-Fi connection first, then completely restart CapCut. Sometimes the app gets stuck because of a temporary system blockage or connection issue, and a quick restart can clear that out. After reopening the app, test the reverse function again and see if it works properly. This is one of the easiest fixes when CapCut's reverse button is not responding, freezing, or failing to process a clip. By isolating the file, reversing it in a blank project, and restarting the app if needed, you can usually get around the glitch without losing your edit. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.